I never had such delicious eggs and tomatoes, a simple and easy breakfast. For our recipe, we will need 3 tomatoes. Cut these tomatoes into slices, then into strips, and finally into small dices. We will also need 3 cloves of garlic. Mince all this garlic. Take red bell pepper, remove the seeds, then cut it into strips and into small dices. In a frying pan, add some oil, the garlic, and sauté until lightly browned. Take a moment to write in the comments where you're watching us from, so that I can thank you for following our recipes. We'd love to know. Now add the bell pepper and sauté for another 2 minutes. After that time, add all the tomatoes and sauté well. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then like the video and comment below. I love tomatoes. Season these tomatoes with half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix them well for 2 minutes. After that, add in here 100 grams of grated Parmesan cheese and mix it well. Now add 5 whole eggs. Guys, you have to try this recipe. I'm sure you will like it. Add more Parmesan cheese, cover the pan with the lid, and let it cook for 5 minutes. And finally, sprinkle some parsley on top. And our recipe is ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching this. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.